If you are a non-registered business entity looking to file your income tax returns, then this video is for you. If you are a small business owner or a freelancer, you can take advantage of the Presumptive Taxation scheme and simplify your tax filing process. But wait, what exactly is Presumptive Taxation? Presumptive taxation is a scheme that allows small business owners and professionals to declare a predetermined percentage of their turnover or revenue as profits. This means you don't have to maintain a detailed record of every expense. Any business which has a turnover of less than 3 crore can opt to be taxed presumptively. They must declare profits of 8% for non-digital transactions or 6% for digital transactions, whichever one is applicable. So, if you want to know more about it, click on the I button to watch our detailed video on presumptive taxation. Now, let's understand how to file taxes for a non-registered entity on ClearTax. Simply log into your ClearTax account, link your PAN card to pre-fill all your details. After that, head over to the income sources section and scroll down to professional, freelancing and business income. If you are a business owner with less than 3 crore turnover, then you can go to the business income tab and click on add details to add details like your business type or gross revenue. You can follow similar steps if you have other business income such as from speculative activities like intraday trading, income or profit shares from a firm, or operating and renting out vehicles for transportation. Simply select the other business income section and add details as before. Once you have added the details, simply click on continue and proceed with completing your ITR filing process. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So that's how easy it is to file taxes for a non-registered business entity on ClearTax. So what are you waiting for? Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now.